एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए
कुछ
भी करेगा.
I never liked it because I saw this one episode and somebody ate light bulbs.
Oh yeah.
पहले भाई सेक्सी होता था बिग बॉस. लोग एक दूसरे को पीट रहे.
No, that was never the premise of the show.
हुआ है भाई. वीडियो बताओ.
What?
राम कपूर सीरियल
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
बड़े अच्छे लगते
I love that show.
ब्रो. सूसू कर दिया किसी पे.
सूसू नहीं किया भाई, सूसू नहीं किया.
सूसू नहीं.
And he stored his susu in a wooden matka.
There was this episode where her younger sister got so angry and left the house because Gauhar Khan was cheating in Uno.
15 मिनट का 20 मिनट का एपिसोड है, उसमें से 3 मिनट का रोल है बंदे का, लेकिन मतलब स्क्रीन खा गया है बंदा.
How can you get someone with so much credibility into your fucking answer?
है
जी.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam.
Do you think we would be different if we were on TV and not on YouTube?
Oh my god, yes.
Hmm.
Oh yeah. In
Mhm.
like on TV we would be like a talk show. But
Okay, but
Yeah.
what time do you think we would come on?
we are coming on right now as we stand. We are coming on at 6 o'clock, 6
Hmm.
p.m. But we want to get to the 9 p.m. slot.
Yes.
I feel 10.
10 p.m.
I
That's
think-
a
I feel
very
like
good.
That's I feel like we would have to be really up there to come at 10 p.m.
We cannot
Hmm.
compare. We cannot be in competition with Southern India. I'll have you know.
Yeah, I don't want to come
Yeah.
right before CID or Crime Patrol.
No, you will come with
I
CID
think-
and Crime Patrol.
No, I think I want to come after a very bad soap opera.
Yeah,
I actually-
before it. Now we'll come up before it, but
Hmm.
like eventually we want to come after it.
Yeah.
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 I see
After
that.
like कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. What is that?
What?
राम कपूर serial?
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
बड़े अच्छे लगते
I
हैं.
love that show.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं के बाद अगर if you have a slot then like
Love.
of course on
Yeah.
Max.
तुम्हारी चांदी है.
Yeah, bro.
But yeah, to give people context, this episode is about trash TV, Indian trash TV, and everything in its glory.
Yeah.
I feel like one episode I feel like more than one episode needs to be dedicated
There's
to
so much. We can't
trash
fit it into
TV.
one.
I know, right?
There, I remember yesterday after years, I have actually sat down without like another screen
Hmm.
and watched TV because Samay Raina was on
KBC.
and everyone was hooked. Listen, nobody was looking on their phone, and
Yeah.
you know it was great. He was so great as per usual. I love
Hmm.
Samay when he does clean comedy. I
Yeah.
truly do. I think he is genuinely a very funny person. And
I think he is one of the few comedians who can pull off clean
Yeah.
comedy and
Bad, dirty comedy.
yeah,
dark comedy.
dark
Dark
comedy.
But yeah, I miss when you didn't need another screen to watch with
Hmm.
your cable. Cable was where it was at. You had
Yeah.
shows like that you knew what time when what comes on.
Yeah.
Like you knew it was okay, Tarak Mehta, and then you have to go to Set Max and Star Plus, and then you have
Yes.
to
keep
switch
switching. So
back button.
in my
Hmm.
family, we used to switch between three. It was Star Plus, Sub, and Sony.
Yeah.
And in my house, it
Hmm.
used to start from 7 p.m.
Hmm.
with what was the Gopi wala show?
Saath
Gopi
Nibhana
Bahu.
Saathiya.
Saath Nibhana
Saathiya.
Saathiya. So from that time till like 11 p.m. when Crime Patrol used to come.
Yeah.
So from 7 to 11:30,
Hmm.
the TV was
Wait,
on.
For
they
sure,
didn't play
for sure.
colors in your house?
No, no.
My family was not a colors family.
Oh,
My family
Balika
was
Vadhu,
not a
Big
Star Plus
Boss.
family.
Yeah.
My family was a Sub, Sony, and Colors.
Yeah, I used to even love the kids shows that used to come on. Shakalaka Boom Boom was.
Mm-hmm.
It was so fucking good.
Do you remember
Yeah.
the show on Sub called Genie and Juju?
No, what was
I
that?
don't remember.
So Genie was like this magic, like she was like a fairy or something, and then she had to do magic. She had to do this.
Oh,
Oh, I think I
That's-
do remember a little bit of this.
Gopi Bahu is the fairy in that.
Oh, that's
Yup.
basically like Sonpari. Sonpari was great.
Same lines.
Damn.
Such a great Ring Wrong Ring.
What was that?
I don't remember that.
So it was like a show, again magic involved, and this one person had a huge red ruby ring, and if she wanted like a wish to come true, she would have to twist the ring and like
Oh shit.
that's the name, Ring Wrong
Yeah.
Ring.
Even if you
Oh.
remember, like this was feminist media before feminist media was even coined as a
Mhm.
term.
Mhm.
If you remember Shararat, there was a
Yes.
household with 3 women,
Hmm.
like one Beti, Bahu, and Sas.
Sas.
Okay?
Okay.
And they were fairies. Like and they used to like
Ooh.
they wore the pants in
Hmm.
the
In the
whatever
family.
in the family, and like because of course they were fairies, like the men in the family were on their graces.
Yes,
Oh.
the same was with Ring Wrong Ring and Genie and Juju.
They were
Too
ahead of
good.
their time.
Too fucking
They
good.
really were. I
Yeah.
mean, then again, we had less options also, so we thought that this was very good.
Yeah.
But it was good.
It was good, exactly. Even
yeah.
Sarabai versus Sarabai and Khichdi.
Classics.
Classic,
I
bro.
preach Sarabai versus Sarabai.
Roshesh was such a good cat. Roshesh and even what was the Bahu's name?
Monisha.
Monisha. Over my dead body.
Every single character was so good. Like I can't differentiate. Like this one's better. This one's every
Yeah.
It was way
Even-
ahead of its time.
so fucking good. Even the sister
Hmm.
who had like she had like
Thoda
chotu
thoda
chotu
role,
roles,
yeah.
and the Jamai.
Hmm.
I forgot his name. What was the Jamai's name? Dushyant.
Oh my.
15 मिनट का 20 मिनट का एपिसोड है, उसमें से 3
Yeah.
मिनट का रोल है बंदे का, लेकिन मतलब स्क्रीन खा गया है बंदा.
I feel like
That's the level.
Monisha would thrive in a world where thrifting is seen as trendy. Monisha would do so well.
I can
In
hear
today's day.
Maya Sarabhai go, Monisha, उसे thrift store बोलो. Chol Bazaar is very down market. I can see it.
Yes.
I can
Oh my God.
see her say that.
Yeah. And then
Yeah, for sure.
she's like, Monisha's asking, what is this Aska now?
Maya.
Maya. Is Monisha asks Maya Sarabhai to go like thrifting, to go to a farmer's market with her, and Maya is like,
Hmm.
over my dead body.
Yes. She had that boss bitch attitude.
Yeah. And she owned it. I liked that.
Slave.
I liked
Her
that.
saris,
Yeah, bro, everything about that show, I feel like the mentality, the acting, their dressing sense, everything was just way ahead of
Too
its time.
good.
Yeah.
Too
And it would
good.
fit.
Khichdi was early brain rot.
They started it and they
They
did it so
fucking started.
tastefully.
They really did.
The Khichdi movie.
The Khichdi movie is a if
a
if
gem.
movies could be put in a museum,
That would be it.
100% is going up
Too
there.
fucking good.
But then they tried to make another one, and that was bad.
That was a little off.
That was really bad.
Even they also came up with another like a new season of Sarvai vs. Sarvai, where I think almost everyone's the same except Monisha, because she's like doing Anupama. But it's not. It doesn't have that essence anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like some shows, if you take out the original characters, you can't replace them with
You
anyone
lose it.
else. The show loses its charm
For
Yeah.
sure.
because
really
what that
does.
person brings to the show,
Yeah.
no other person, however, even though they kind of match in like their personality or their looks or whatever, it's not the same.
It's definitely not the same.
Even I feel like reality TV shows used to be so much better back then, and maybe it was because
True.
the people that were on there were not aware of how many people were viewing them, so they
True.
were they didn't have those numbers with them, so they were kind of being themselves.
They were being themselves, and back then I feel like at least in India, we were in such an experimental phase where we didn't have a blueprint of what needed to be done and what worked out. People were experimental, one, there was diversity in shows, and again, people were just doing it and seeing what was working out.
They were so
And
carefree.
They were so carefree, and of course, now with the access to information about the industry, you just know so much that it loses its charm of, oh, you know, this is what TV used to be,
Yeah.
or this is what cinema used to be.
Yeah.
Like back then, they were just doing it for the love of it.
like,
Yeah, they really
And that was
Contestant-
art.
Yeah, contestants today, they're pre-prepared.
Yeah.
They're pre-prepared कि शो का premise ये है, ऐसा बोलना है, ऐसा
Yeah,
करना है. Back then
true.
it was just like
Yeah.
ठीक है भाई
बिग
बोल दिया
बॉस में भी
दिया.
बहुत ऐसी बातें होती है कि मैंने सारे सीजन्स देख लिए हैं, मैं पढ़ाई करके आ
Exactly.
ब्रो इसके लिए क्या
Yeah.
पढ़ाई करनी है. पहले भाई सेक्सी होता था बिग बॉस, लोग एक दूसरे को पीट रहे
No, that was never the premise of the show.
हुआ है भाई, वीडियो बताओ.
तू क्या दे रहा है? तू क्या दे रहा है? मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ? तू क्या धक्का दे रहा है?
Are you real?
हाँ.
I haven't watched like the older episodes of Big Boss, but then I know this one rule कि you can't hit
Physically.
somebody.
रिमेम्बर एक बार एक बाबा भी आया था,
स्वामी ओम.
स्वामी ब्रो, वो सूसू कर दिया किसी पे.
सूसू नहीं किया भाई, सूसू नहीं किया.
तो क्या
सूसू
किया?
नहीं किया. He
सूसू नहीं किया. हिमेश रेशमिया has entered the house. सूसू.
So there was this
Caps.
so there was this captaincy task and he was like you had to pick sides of who you wanted to make captain. And he's like a fucking idiot. ठीक है, मतलब वो बंदा थोड़ा सा पूरा का पूरा पागल है.
Okay.
And he stored his susu in a wooden matka. And towards the end of the task, like task को 10 minute बाकी है, ठीक है? And he just he's very calm before this. Like he's not doing any rada, nothing. Okay, he's like very chill. And then task के 10 minute पहले he opens that pot thingy and then with something in his hand, he's just like splashing his susu on everyone, and everyone's you know Bani J?
Yeah.
She kicked him.
Good for what?
He missed it, but if he would have gotten hurt, I would have been so happy.
Bro, deserved, bro.
What
So
was
fucking
fucking
thinking?
deserved. Dude, he's done whack shit on the show. Whack shit.
Yeah.
He's like, so this is season 10, by the way, okay? And forget about Swami Om. I think Big Boss season 10 was one of the most goated seasons of all because the
What was
premise
it?
of the show was half celebrities and half commoners.
Hmm.
And then they
Okay.
all come together and live under the same roof. Swami Om, of course, was a commoner. And initially, when you see him, okay, the first episode where
Yeah.
everyone's introduced,
Hmm.
I think Lopa Mudra, she I think won a beauty pageant
She's
or
a
something.
model,
Yeah,
yeah.
she's a model. And
Okay.
she's damn gorgeous. Okay.
Okay.
Damn gorgeous. She's the first one to enter, and then I think after 2 or 3 people, Swami Om enters the house, and he's like. मतलब वो लोपा मधुरा के साथ थोड़ा फ्लर्ट करा है, like he's talking कि आप कितनी सुंदर हो, ये वो, and
Oh,
while
like he was
talking he bangs his head into
saying-
into the door.
How does that happen?
I'm telling you, he's whack. He's stupid.
He missed the
Ga-
door.
He missed the door.
Guys, this leads me to one question. Do you think producers purposely get people who they know are a little whack and like just to get content?
I think
of course,
That's happened now
yeah.
for them to generate more drama, because back then in Big Boss, even if you only got celebrities, they would get people who knew that they had some history behind them,
Mhm.
or like
Yeah,
there was
because
some
I
sort
feel-
of drama.
Yeah, because I feel like I don't remember where I read this, but then there have been rumors that these producers or whatever, they purposely deprive people of basic necessities
yeah.
in situations like these, you know,
Yeah.
Big Boss or whatever, where they're kept in a place and, you know, to create content, they deprive them of certain necessities, basic necessities,
Like what?
to like water and stuff, or
Water,
don't
food.
water.
Food is
They have
ration.
to do
tasks to get food.
food.
So that leads to them lashing out and, you know, acting up,
Of course,
which gets more content.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But like every weekend ka war, it's shown that like the filming for weekend ka war starts on Friday. And that day, then nobody's doing any chores at home. They've gotten food from the outside, they're eating, and then filming for like 3 days straight, and then back to
Yeah.
Monday.
that schedule
That's
is only
so
I can't.
tiring.
That is very tiring. It sounds tiring at least.
Exactly. Like,
And
we film for like an hour and a half, and we're so exhausted.
Mhm.
Imagine these guys 24/7, and after they started doing the 24-hour camera thingy for Big
Mhm.
Boss. It's so exhausting. I can't even imagine.
I
And the
can't.
whole thing of it is that the more drama you create, the more likely you are to win or something, right?
Yeah.
So
The more
everyone,
you get seen by the
the
public.
Yeah.
So basically, they are putting up a show 24/7.
Exactly.
Yeah, and like first, like when people did not know what it was, they even like some people have even tried to escape Big Boss. There was this guy, Rahul Mahajan. He was apparently he had a name from beforehand, and he came into the house, and they somehow figured that they could leave and nobody would know, so they left, and then he got like they would just leave the house and then come back later.
अपना ही घर है.
Yeah, it
Apna
was
hi kar
season
samjho.
2, so like it was pretty new.
Yeah, it
that
was
was
pretty
like
I
new.
don't
old.
think Salman Khan was even in the scene back then, right?
No,
It-
I think
who
he
was it
came from
before?
season 8. I think Amitabh was hosting it for a while.
I don't see that.
No,
I
he
truly
was,
don't.
he was. And I think there was somebody else before him also. And then I think after season 8 or 9, I think Salman came.
But Salman Khan
Mm.
fits it. Like,
Oh,
he fits
Jesus.
the
Now
vibe.
he's
Too
gotten
good.
so bad. He has
The show
he's-
has gotten bad.
Yeah,
now.
he's
Yeah.
like aggressive and all, na? Like
no, earlier he used whenever he got aggressive, like the public would like it. Now he doesn't care.
oh.
At least that's the conversation that my mom and my aunt always have. They're like, "Are Salman Khan ne kuch nahi bola kal raat," and then my mom is like, "Yeah, kuch nahi bola," and that's the whole conversation every week. So and that's why like now that sometimes Farah Khan comes on,
Oh.
and she is apparently way better than Salman.
Hmm.
So this Rahul guy got disqualified from Big Boss, but then he got his own TV show.
Rahul
where
ka
he-
Swayamvar.
Swayamvar.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, he had 17 girls down to marry him
Wow.
with a whole TV show, like Bachelorette type.
Wow.
Yeah.
So even Rakhi had something similar. Was
Rakhi
Rakhi
ka
had
Swayamvar.
Swayamvar.
Rakhi ka Swayamvar.
And even Mika Singh had it recently. Mika Da Swayamvar.
Mika Da Swayamvar.
Whoa.
Because
Mika
he's
ka
Punjabi.
I don't know. That's the name, I think.
But yeah,
Mika Di. Oh, it was Mika Devotee.
Voti. Acha, but I think the Rakhi one was most entertaining.
It was
out
so
of
My parents didn't let me
entertaining.
watch it.
No?
Because we were too young when that came out, no?
Yeah, my
Oh,
mom used
so-
to watch.
So they like,
But,
Nah.
but I
That
feel
time.
like she like was such a boss bitch. She took matters into her own hands. She
Yeah,
was
yeah.
like, "Mujhe shaadi karni hai.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make money out of this. I'm not only gonna find a man, but I'm also gonna
Very
monetize
true.
this."
Very true.
She got a host. She got men to come
Dude,
on the
his-
show.
her host was Ram Kapoor.
I know. I was
Yeah.
Wow.
researching for it on the way to work, and I was like, "Bro, this is damn entertaining."
Yeah, her work is way better.
yeah, valid. And man, too good. Like she's interviewing these men. She's like, "Okay, I'm going to see how eligible you are for me. If you make enough money, what your career is,
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
doing.
Yeah.
Then only I'm going to do it."
And if you're wondering, anyone listening to this, if you're wondering if these Swayamvars worked, I don't know about Mika Singh, but the other two
Didn't
not.
work.
Yeah,
Even
They
Mika
are
Singh
both
didn't work.
divorced.
Dude, I saw Mika Devotee ka Swayamvar, and he ended up marrying one of his friends. There's no sign of like on the show he got married and shit. but,
Friends
like
to lovers.
there's no sign of it at all after that. दोनों के accounts
What?
पे no sign, no pictures together, nothing.
Shut up.
Radio silence. It's so
But
how?
Pele Pawari wedding content used to work a lot. Like there was
Yeah.
this other show called 3 Crore Ki Shaadi.
What?
Yeah. So
Whoa, so
they
it's like
gave
all
this
like big
random
shots.
random couple
Love.
3 crore. This was way back when
I
I was
don't
like
remember
very
this.
little. My mom
Hmm.
used to watch this show. It was just one shadi, and they took us through the whole thing. And that time 3 crore was
As
baapre.
good as 20
still-
now.
It's still a lot.
People spend way more now.
No,
Yeah.
dude,
People spend a
3 crore
lot
back then is
more.
as good as spending 20 crore now.
crore now.
Valid.
On
Imagine.
weddings, especially weddings have gotten so much grander now.
Hmm.
So 3
become a
crore
show
is,
now.
yeah, 3 crore at that time was like fuck.
You are rich.
You are rich, but like Colors obviously paid for that, and I think
Mhm.
so. I hope Colors paid for that. I hope the couple
Yeah.
did not pay because they have 100% made way more than 3 crores over.
For sure.
3 crores is nothing for like
for
a,
colors.
for
a
Colors
show
or
to-
any
yeah.
any
Anyone
channel
to make a show on.
Yeah, nobody realized. I think people were not realizing how much money there was in it. They were getting paid peanuts. They were being deprived of so much.
Yeah.
Of course, they're gonna fucking act
yeah.
up. And now everyone is so PR trained that they
Yeah.
can't
There's
be
no-
themselves.
That charm that each person brings to whatever they're doing on television, it's not there anymore. Like you now at least, sorry, back then you didn't have much to look out for or be aware of. Okay, oh, if I say this, it's gonna get me in trouble. People back then, again, like I said, were in such an experimental phase where
Yeah.
they were doing things solely for the fact to entertain.
Yeah.
There was no other motive.
Yeah.
Like, of course, other than like earning money, but
Hmm.
like entertaining was their primary goal.
Yeah.
And that's what generated so much. There was this other show called Emotional Atyachar.
But that falls under, I feel like, the others that we have done,
Hmm.
that's like more what you used to watch with your family, and
Yes.
that's like the golden age of cable.
Yeah.
This is like emotional atyachar, etc. That is the stuff that baddies used to watch.
Hmm.
Only baddies watched all of it.
Yes.
Emotional Attachar, Super Dude.
So Rodi Splits, obviously
Obviously.
India's next top model.
Yes.
Only
Rodi-
baddie behavior, bro. If you watched
Only baddie
MTV,
behavior.
if you watched MTV
Yes.
at 8 p.m, how did you get you getting the remote at 8 p.m to watch MTV?
It's a
was
privilege.
a privilege in
Yeah.
itself.
Privilege.
And you had to fight for it.
You had to fight for it because your mom had to watch.
Oh, soaps.
Her
साथ निभाना
soaps.
चाहती है bro.
And you had one TV at home. Guys, this is true.
Yeah.
Earlier, we used to have only one TV.
The struggle is very real. There was no phone
Yeah.
with
So,
OTT on it.
we, at least us,
Yeah.
we never got to watch Roadies and Splitsvilla and
Yeah.
all of
You know,
that.
it's funny.
What are you saying?
I never watched
It's
it.
yeah. I
Oh.
also never watched it. It's funny
I
because
loved it.
in the lockdown,
Hmm.
there was this one point where I used to only watch the interviews of like you know
Roadies?
that interviews
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah,
roadies,
yeah.
bro. It's too entertaining.
too
Very
good.
entertaining.
Too good.
How can you get someone with so much credibility into your fucking answer?
Hey?
Hai ji?
Oh yeah, that is Neeta.
Listen.
What's her name?
Neha Dhupia.
Neha Dhupia.
Listen.
Neha Dhupia.
It's her choice.
Yes. Yeah.
That was so whack over.
No, but my favorite has to be that it's a Pakistani version of Splitsvilla.
Bakar Zaka.
No, I don't know what it's
I know
called.
what
But
you're talking about.
I know it's this.
It was this.
Aapko to ilm hoga. That is, who is that? That's someone else.
No, it's the same. I know what you're talking about.
This.
It's this.
Fuck. Who is it, guys? Let us know in the comments.
It's this for sure.
Hai ji?
आपको तो इल्म होगा कि मेरी उंगली को क्या हुआ था.
Oh, अच्छा that lady.
मुझे लगा तू शो का साइन बोल रही है.
And he's like, हाँ मुझे कैसे पता होगा?
He's too bakchoda. He's too bakchoda.
There's this other time where he's interviewing this 19-year-old like engineering guy,
Yeah.
and he's like, आपका नाम क्या है? He's like, सलमान शेख आबिद. शेख सलमान आबिद है.
Yeah.
अभी तो सलमान शेख आबिद बोला.
सलमान आबिद. तो शेख क्यों लिखा है भाई?
सर मैं बैठ के बात करूँ. बैठना क्यों है? खड़े हो जा.
Dude, I think the bakcho this movie is done is so he interviewed 3 to 4 people and then the 4th person came in और उससे बाकी तीनों को ना खड़ा कर इसमें से 3 औरतें थी. ठीक है, तीनों औरतें थी और एक और उसका इंटरव्यू चल रहा था. तो इसमें से एक बंदी थी ना. After the 4th person's interview got over, he asked this girl कि क्या लगता है आपको इसने कैसा किया. तो he's like, तो she's like, sir, I think मैंने better किया. तो he's like, आपका नाम बताओ. And then he signed the poster and then he gave it to her. And he's like, इस पे क्या नाम लिखा है वो बता. As for example, her name was
Priya.
Priya. And the person who's getting interviewed right now, her name is Sakshi. So he's like, Sakshi, Priya क्या लिखा है इस पे पढ़ो. पोस्टर पे साक्षी लिखा हुआ है.
Bro, they were baddies. They
He did
were
this.
baddies.
Thrice. उसको पोस्टर नहीं दिया. बाकी तीनों को दिया. That was the bakchodis boss bitch move. I love that scene.
Oh my god.
Too good.
Bro.
He had way too much fun with it.
I even
Oh,
used
this is too good.
I used to love when Indian Idol auditions were going on. They had like 5 minutes of just bad auditions, and they used to air that.
I know what's coming.
Oh no.
What?
मुझे मेरे हिसाब से आप बॉम्बे नहीं आ सकते. हाँ तो मेरे को कहाँ आना है?
Oh my god, real. I just want to go so that they can say, they can reject me, and I'm like, मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ. मुझे नहीं आना. I'll go to like another city. Like, I'll go to Kolkata or something.
Yeah, you should.
Kolkata flights are very expensive. I'll go to Chennai or something.
अच्छा.
What? I won't do it for the gag.
है जी?
But yeah, you truly had to be a baddie to get the remote at 8:30 p.m. because
My-
that was prime time, bro.
My dad would hate my sister and me watching Roadies because गाली होती थी ना उसमें.
Yeah.
And they used to
Yeah.
bleep it up. And dad's like, भाई ये लोग छोटे, ये लोग गाली सुन रहे हैं, मतलब what are they learning?
Yeah.
But my dad didn't get the lore of it.
Yeah.
He didn't get the lore of
The
it.
dad didn't get the lore of
He
roadies.
didn't, and even Splitsvilla, he did not get the lore of it.
I used to love when they used to come with already like emotional baggage from before, and that used to come out on the show. They were really they were cherry picking people better than Big Boss.
For sure.
That's
better than
see,
Big Boss.
I
For
feel like
sure.
now also in Big Boss they pick people who already like, of course, along with the common people, they do they still have that thing of like half
No,
an
that
hour?
was just one season.
Okay, but I
Yeah.
feel like it's become very. There's definitely some part of them doing their research and seeing for people who are one
They try-
problematic
Mhm.
and others who have some sort of following.
They try to do it again, like Munawwar's season at least. They brought in Munawwar's ex
Yeah.
to just create drama.
Yeah,
And now the
exactly.
ex has clout, and Munawwar obviously has more clout. So now, like, they're both living their lives.
They're both happy.
Hmm.
Yeah, and even I remember MTV had this show called Khan Sisters that I tried to be like the Kardashians.
Oh,
It was Gohar Khan and her sister, and they were just living life.
they're three sisters, no? Or four?
Two sisters, Gohar Khan and I forgot the other one's name.
Okay.
Gohar Khan's sister, and I remember it was like looking in a mirror because I also had an
Yeah.
older sister, and there was this episode where her younger sister got so angry and left the house because Gohar Khan was cheating in Uno,
Wow.
and that's
Yeah,
that's
Bhai
not
Ki Aadhat
true.
hai.
Very real.
Mikey Aadhat, exactly.
That's very real.
Yeah, those are grounds to end
Grounds to-
relationships.
But like that's your sister, so you can just leave the house. That's the best you can really do.
Yeah.
But yeah, that sort of TV would never come back. Now, if you see, these were shows that were just done to be filler, right? Like, of course, prime time shows होते थे, ये shows का rerun होता था, but काफी चीजें बस as a filler होती थी. जैसे if you watch TLC, I know a lot of people never watch TLC, but I was a TLC
I
girl
grew up
through
on
and through.
TLC. TLC was part of my childhood. Was a major part of my childhood.
Yes.
And I do want to save a lot of this TLC content for a later episode where we solely talk about this.
Yes.
But then TLC had it still has its charm, bro.
Yeah.
Like I sometimes watch it on YouTube also.
Like,
Like,
what
you
shows
get-
were on it?
Like
You get shows on
There
because the
were-
ones I like, you don't.
what did you watch?
I used to watch this Shopaholic wala, which I don't even remember the name of, and I can't find the name, where they used to send four like shopaholic women,
Okay.
into like a big store. It was a British show, into a huge store, and they had like 3 challenges.
Okay.
And each challenge, one of them gets eliminated.
Okay.
So it was like 45 minutes of pure entertainment. They
Oh,
used to get
yeah.
like 20 minutes to pick out an outfit, get ready, do their hair and makeup. 20 minutes. And they had like a thing like your boyfriend's mom's funeral.
Oh,
What are you gonna dress as?
That's
the
so
premise
good.
of these
Your
shows
ex's
only was
wedding.
so good.
Yeah,
That's so good.
that is so. You are going to meet your in-laws for the first time. What are you dressed up as? And then they used to get judged like that.
I
And
want to watch it. Send me the
Oh,
link.
right?
I
I
did not
don't. I
watch
can't
this.
find it. It used to only be on like Fox Life earlier, and now I can't find it on YouTube anywhere. I want to watch it.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I was a very big Say Yes to the Dress girly.
Oh yeah. Yes.
So true. So
that I've
fucking
watched
true.
for sure.
God.
Say Yes to Dress Asia भी बनाया था उन्होंने, Indians भी आए थे उस पे, and there was this one Malaysian lady who got like
That was
कुछ
okay, fine, go on.
$10,000 का dress, red dress, like a
lehenga?
lehenga, bro, with machine work.
Oh yeah.
$10,000 for machine work.
Bitch.
I remember like
My mom is pissed right now.
This was Say Yes to Dress Asia, so they had to bring in like Asians, I guess, South Asians.
I remember when I used to watch Say Yes to the Dress, when someone used to come with a budget of like $4,000, $5,000, I'm like, cheap as fuck.
Are you poor?
Are you like poor? Why are you coming to Say Yes to the Dress? Why are you coming to Kleinfield?
Bro, I want to go to class. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was my dream, you know. I was like, when I grow up, I'm going to go to the US and I'm going to go to Kleinfield and get my wedding dress.
Oh my god.
That's the name of the store.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Kleinfield is
Kleinfield.
very infamous for wedding
Wedding
dresses, even
dresses.
outside of this show.
Oh.
but
Yeah,
it became big because of this
it
show.
definitely. And like with the Panina Tourney, and like so Panina Tourney is one of the designers,
Mm-hmm.
and her dresses were like really
shit.
good,
Okay.
the shit. Okay, and people used to specifically come to the show,
Hmm.
like come to Kleinfield for her.
Okay.
And her dresses were like damn good, dude. And when these like really rich fucks used to come who, you know,
Yeah.
oh, we don't have a
We
budget.
do not have a budget. Yes.
I used to live for
And
that.
then sometimes they were boring with it though.
Yeah, they used to get like a fucking mermaid dress or some
Yeah.
like a ball gown. And I was like, bro, where is the taste?
Dream wedding dress, go.
Oh, you know, that question. I have
Do it.
asked myself that question in all the episodes I've seen, but I still don't know. I feel like
What
A
do you
white
what do
one.
you think would be for her?
For you, you
See,
want to wear a white dress,
a
right?
white dress for sure.
Hmm.
But I'm confused between I don't want those poofy ones.
Oh, bitch, I was
Oh,
like,
no.
that is one of my favorite. Like, I love a ball gown.
No.
fucking
But it has to
love
be
a
done
ball gown.
tastefully. It has to be done
Yeah, yeah, for
tastefully.
sure.
I don't like the
But for you, I feel like a good straight cut, like something like what Meghan Markle wore, but a bit more.
I'm imagining her in like
Oof.
the top to be like a little corset-y,
Okay.
and then it like it's not exactly fish cut, but it just like accentuates the middle of her waist.
My
and then-
curves?
Yeah, like a little bit, and then it flows down.
Mm.
That's what I imagine. I say it's like
I
shoulder.
You
no
guys
shoulder.
clearly have thought about this more than I have.
But yeah, when you're watching Say Yes to the Dress, you try to think like, oh, what would I like?
Yeah,
Hmm.
no.
Even
I
though
love
I do not plan on wearing a white dress.
no, that's what it happened, bro. Even I used to watch this the Indian version, but
Huh.
not the one that you're talking about, not the Asian one, not
Yeah,
Say
yeah,
Yes to the
yeah,
Asia. There was this other thing I don't remember what it's called. I used to watch it on YouTube, and they
Okay.
used to sell lehengas and like saris and stuff.
Send me the link. Wow.
Share the link, yeah,
And
please.
yeah, I will. And dude, I used to imagine myself in a lehenga. I'll be like, oh, this is the kind of
Oh.
lehenga I would want.
Okay,
And I
yes.
love that it used to target the girls. But the girls
Mm.
are so good, dude.
What color would be your lehenga?
Ivory.
Really?
Yeah.
I want a red. I need a red with like velvet accents.
I like it.
Yeah. Maybe like a little bit of pink or a little bit of blue. थोड़ा सा हल्का work
like
में.
small flowers. or
Work
something.
में.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
छोटा.
No handwork.
Handwork.
No machine work.
हाँ, machine work. No machine work.
No machine work.
Handwork, obviously. It's my wedding day. I deserve it.
Obviously, you deserve it.
I'm only going to do it once. Mark my words.
No, but like apart from Say Yes, coming back, like Say Yes
Yeah.
to the Dress, there was Pawn Stars. There was this.
Oh,
Why do I remember
my
these names,
God.
but I've never seen
I
these
have
shows?
grown up on.
PAWN.
Yeah, I was about to ask you to
मुझे-
spell it.
मुझे born का मतलब एक second. I'm a very late bloomer, and I once told my friends that I like to watch Pawn Stars on History, and they were like, "What the fuck are you watching?" And I was like,
Yeah.
"What does it mean? I like Pawn Stars." And then they explained to me what porn was in 7th standard. I learned so much about American history
Oh my god.
through that, and like I know so much more about
Yeah.
negotiating. I know so much more about history in general.
Yeah.
World
Explain me the
wars.
premise of Pawn Star.
So it's a pawn shop, which is like a shop. These kind of shops that exist in the US,
Hmm.
where you can either sell things
Hmm.
or pawn them. Which
Yeah,
is,
I know what a pawn shop is.
हाँ, so this gold and silver pawn shop करके लास वेगस में बहुत बड़ी pawn shop है, जहाँ पर this family of, it was all boys though, like there
Yeah,
were
I've
no
al-
women. It
yeah.
was just this family
Okay.
of there was this grandpa, this guy Rick, and his son.
Hmm.
Okay, and his son's friend Chumley. Chumley was my favorite, by the way. I love Chumley. Okay, and they used to just like they'll have customers come in
Hmm.
to sell things,
Okay.
and things could be anything: collectors items,
Old
war items, old things,
like
antiques.
Antiques,
Yeah, yeah.
anything.
Sometimes they could be like vehicles also, but
Hmm.
that was another show called Counting Cars. That was different.
Hmm.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I think you would love Counting Cars. It's about vintage cars and buying and selling them. It's like, and revamping them. You would love
Bring
it.
back old TV, man.
I agree.
I miss it.
So उसमें वो लोग पूरा वो history बताते थे. They had like experts coming in sometimes if the
To like
To judge
see
the
the
item.
genuinity of
yeah
The item.
and
or
just
to
basically
gauge
set
a
a price.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So and then they used to negotiate. So if I go in, okay, say if I have a very rare coin, I go in and I want $2,000 for it.
Yeah.
I know I've watched the show. I will pitch for 5,000. But some people used to be dumb enough to say 2,000. And me and my dad
2,000.
used to be like,
क्या stupid है.
अभी
लो
इसको
कर लो बात।
$500 मिलेगा.
तो इसीलिए इतना अच्छा bargain करती है.
मैं अच्छा बार्गेन करती हूँ.
हाँ भाई.
मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है.
But yeah, basically that was the premise of the show.
It was
Like,
so
oh,
fun.
It
I
was
love
too good.
it.
And then there was Cake Boss also.
Cupcake Wars. Cutthroat Kitchen.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
We are getting so excited.
Yeah, no, I
You're
think we
getting
gotta,
so enthused. I love it.
we have to keep this. Like genuinely, we need to speak about this at length in another episode
100%.
because I feel
I'm gonna
TLC,
watch these shows up until then.
Yeah, I
you
feel
know?
TLC in itself had so much.
TLC needs a streaming service.
Yeah, no.
I would buy the fuck out of that.
But yeah, coming back to Indian trash TV.
Yeah.
Yeah,
took a little segue
we took
there.
a little detour, but I don't remember. I don't know if you guys remember of entertainment ke liye
Kuch.
kuch bhi karega.
I never liked it because I saw this one episode and somebody ate light bulbs.
Oh,
And I was like, no.
Oh yeah. So that show, like everyone, I'm pretty sure everyone knows it. That
Yes.
had like the wackiest things people doing.
Mm.
They were eating glass. They were like breaking things on their head. Of course, there was a lot of talent in that show, but then there was this one time I remember. There was
Farah Khan, right?
Farah Khan and
Anu Malik.
Anu Malik. Yes. So there was this time where my family and I are sitting and watching it. Okay, like I don't know why this one couple was even allowed, but like from the get, okay, they just looked very sus. Like they're gonna do something
I feel like
entertaining.
I know what you're gonna say. I feel like I know.
They're gonna do something entertaining, and like even when they were talking to the judges, you know, before, it just sounded like
Something's coming, yeah.
something's coming, and then they performed like a very sexual dance.
Oh, okay.
Okay, not a sexual dance, but it was very, you could tell,
Sensuous,
like
yeah.
sensual, you know.
Okay.
And then towards the end, they ran towards each other and they kissed on TV.
That's not what I remember.
Whoa.
And I'm sitting in between my parents on the couch, and I'm
Wait,
like,
they aired that?
yeah,
Dude, that's
Fuck.
huge for Indian TV.
That's big.
That's huge for
and I
Indian
tried
TV.
to find it on YouTube again to show it to you
Uh-huh.
guys, and like,
Yeah.
of course, we couldn't put it on the episode, but then just to
Yeah.
show it to you guys, but I couldn't find it.
But
Oh,
I forgot
no.
about this show, and I remember from this show there was another couple who, okay, they came in, right, and their setup was like a little bit of a lifted square. Okay,
Okay.
they had a square and it was a little bit lifted, like this much.
Okay,
Okay, so your feet are little.
dangling down.
No, you're not dying. It's like a plank.
They're sitting
and-
crisscross.
Oh.
No, it's like a plank,
Okay.
and it's kind of like a
Oh.
pool.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, a raised pool.
Hmm.
And they were like, what the fuck is gonna happen? They start dancing. It's some romantic song.
Yeah.
And you know how in movies you have like rain, right? To show it's like romantic.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I'll be able to find a clip because it's so old.
Uh-huh.
But they got a balti of pani and they were just pouring it on each other while the performance is going on. So the lady would be twirling and the guy's like literally reaching into the bucket and just pouring a jug on her head.
Itna kam production cost hai bhai.
No.
Bro, they could have at least got on a pipe and him standing like that.
Yeah, man. Like a फुवारा or something. मतलब वो चल रहा है और तुम अपना performance कर रहे हो.
He looks stage के बीच में नहा रहे हैं. With a balti.
That's the pool now makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like they didn't want the stage to get wet.
Just
my
imagine them
God.
talking to the people backstage, being like, "This is our requirement. This is what we're going to perform. Can you arrange for this?" Yes, sir, madam, we can.
We would love to actually. This would get us good views.
Yeah,
Not views, TRP.
TRP. That's insane. What time did it used to come? I think 9:30 or something. No?
Yeah, it had a good time.
It had a great time
Yeah.
actually.
9:30 is where it's at.
But there was a similar concept to India's Got Talent, right? But
Yeah.
entertainment के लिए कुछ भी like anything goes there.
Entertainment,
Yeah, yeah.
literally entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
कुछ भी बहन.
Mm.
Yeah, कुछ भी.
कुछ भी बहन.
But
Could
with
be.
that being said, I feel like this era, I think it was also so beautiful to us because you know we were younger and that's what we grew up watching. शायद बच्चों को Mr. Beast ऐसा ही लगे बड़े होने के बाद, which is so fucking sad, honestly.
No.
This is their like
I hope they
Mr.
watch
Beast is
this
their
episode
Got
and
Talent.
actually go watch whatever shows we're talking about.
the
Yeah.
problem is that they don't air the good shit on streaming.
At
Yeah,
least the
and-
ones that they should watch it.
No, because from the old ones that are still there, you'll just get clips now, unless it's something like
No.
Rakhi Ka Swayamvar or Emotional Atyachar, which is again a show about like these
Heartbreak,
partners. No,
What is it about?
Emotional
I think I
Atyachar
cut you off and then you
is-
never said.
yeah. So Emotional Atyachar was a show about that they used to call in couples and they used to test the couples and like test their
Compatibility.
no, not compatibility, like test their trust,
Loyalty.
their loyalty basically. So they used to
Shut
set up
up.
they used to set up one partner
Yeah.
and the other person would like watch their partner do something, like, you know, they would set them up being like, oh, we'll plant someone to go with this partner and test this partner's genuinity and like loyalty, if they
Yeah.
trust them or not.
Oh.
So this is to be an entire setup. And see, even when you think about it, it's like, bro, what? Like, who would want to watch it? But it
guess
did
people
have
would.
people were watching.
The famous bikini shoot was out of that show.
Oh, I did
Bikini
not
shoot.
know.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know that either.
What? Yeah, it's from Emotional
Yeah.
Atyachar.
So they
So that brings me back to my original point of, you know, I'm pretty sure the host of the interviewer who took the interview with this lady, he knew that she would get content out. He knew that she would be speaking about whatever she said, like the whole bikini shoot thing. It went viral now, but even back then they knew what they were doing.
of course
They knew this was a setup for her, and bichari she thought she was doing something genuine,
Ah.
and they knew that they were going to make fun out of her.
So you take old TV and you suck the living life out of it, and then you get filler TV, which is on streaming now.
Dude, I feel Big Boss was a good blend of all these chotu shows. Like in
Yeah.
another opinion, after season 10, I think Big Boss season 13 was another go-to show.
That-
Like they're at par. Like I can't choose which is
Shahnaz
better.
Gill, right?
Yes, Shahnaz Gill, Siddharth Shukla.
Funniest moment
What?
from that season was, and this is very insensitive, but Siddharth Shukla fell sick on the show. So they had a weekend ka war moment with him, and Siddharth Shukla was on video call on a hospital bed. Okay, and Salman Khan is like, अभी तो बच गया, ऊपर वाला तुझे ऊपर वाले से भी बचना है, something along those lines. Like, you got saved now, but God won't save you.
Oh,
And then cut to
shit.
2 years later, he dies.
That didn't age well.
That did not age well.
That did
What?
not age well, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he was joking. He was like,
no, but shit, I don't know he died.
oh my God,
He
Siddharth
randomly
Shukla
passed away.
died.
And guess I got the news where I was literally at Kolaba Causeway waiting for my bus, and then I just read an in-shot saying Siddharth Shukla has passed away because of a cardiac arrest.
No, I remember, this is such a moment because I remember I was like, my mom was a huge fan, okay? She was a Shukla head, if you will.
Okay.
Okay. And my mom's sister has called up my mom and she's like, are you okay? My mom's
Ooh.
like, why?
Oh
And she's like, Siddharth Shukla died. And then my mom, she froze for a second and then she was like,
Did
yeah,
the
I'm
phone
fine.
like slip out of auntie's
No.
hand?
She was like, I'm
This is not a soap. This is not trash TV.
She's like, no, I'm fine. And me and my sister, we both went, Mama, are you okay?
Oh,
Because we were,
shit.
like, she was a huge fan. She was like, Shehnaz. She was on fan Twitter. She used the word stan correctly in a sentence with me.
wow.
Yeah. She used to,
Bro, this is like that trend on Instagram that happened like a while back where kids used to tell their parents, oh, this person died. Like, a fan of their parents passed away,
Show
and they
it to me, please. Send it to me, Rachel.
Where, Rachel?
Is
Send
it on
to
the
me.
TikTok? This girl said
Yeah,
Jesus was found
somewhere
What?
in Ohio.
in Ohio, and the mom loses it. She's like, "Oh my god, where, Rachel? Tell me where."
People are
Give
whack.
it to me, please. Send it to me, Rachel.
But yeah, shit, that was mad.
Yeah. That season was fucking good as shit. Like,
Yeah.
I have two instances from both the shows I want to talk about. Circling back to the point where you mentioned Salman is not aggressive anymore. Like back then he was. So in the Swami Om season Big Boss, Big Boss season 10, there was this contestant called Priyanka Jagga, okay? And so she was like almost a celebrity, and there was this another common person. His name was Manu Punjabi. And
I remember that name.
Manu Punjabi, Manveer Gujjar. They're like the two people, like
Ah.
best of friends.
Yeah.
So Manu had to leave the show because his mom was upset. His mom was sick, and then
Unwell.
eventually she passed away.
Oh,
Sorry, I laughed.
Yeah, and then he came back on the show because I think there was this little contract where if you leave, like you would be able to leave the show for these amount of days, and if you didn't come back, you were out of the show.
Yeah.
okay.
So he wanted to come back because of course he wanted to win the show.
Yeah.
And so he came back, and like as soon as he came back, like all the ghar ke like everyone in the house were like, you know, consoling him, ki, you know, it's fine. Your mom's proud of you that you're doing this for her. You know, you're back, you're stronger, whatever. We're there to support you.
Yeah.
And this Priyanka Jagga woman, she was so fucking insensitive towards him. She's like, ये देखो आपके अपने माँ के मातम पे नहीं गया, इधर बिग बॉस में आके बैठा है.
What the fuck?
She said that on camera. And
No.
if somebody told her shit, she would like, she had the worst
Temper?
No, fuck the temper. Her language was so bad. Like you on the outside watching it would feel so much rage. Be like, मतलब ये भाई बंदी बोल क्या रही है, मतलब चल क्या रहा है इसके दिमाग में. And then cut to on one weekend ka war. So they had this like a devil ka throne. So like whoever was the most bad would be on the throne, and then they would be like, you know,
Such a
questioned.
cartoon.
Yeah,
Yes.
bro, this is like
They had like every week they had this.
Okay.
it's
like
difficult
throne.
to take this seriously. Like adults, full-grown adults are willingly participating in
My
this.
mom is over 50 and she never misses.
There has to be some
Drug in.
drug in
Yeah,
this
yeah,
show
that's
that is
coming through the
translating.
TV.
I know.
For
Like
sure.
how are they hooking
This
people?
is like adults Cocomelon.
Ooh.
Big Boss.
Cocomelon. Ting, 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 ting,
Ting.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, and then she's on the throne for that week, and that's the week that she says all
You
of
have to
that
sit
bullshit.
there all week?
No, just for like a little, like it's like a segment on the show, like how
Sleep
the
on
show
bed.
starts. And then like she's like, Salman, I want to leave the show. They got me back. She's like making an entire fuss, and Salman's like, listen, sit down for 10 minutes. And Salman's like, everyone shut up. Nobody gives a reaction. There's gonna be a clip of Priyanka Jagga unedited, where she's like, there's an entire compilation of her just like in the most disgusting language, and there's
my
like an entire
God.
compilation of that clip, and that's on television. They play it with no edits, nothing. It's played as is.
And what
Brutal.
does she say in those clips?
Like what she's like trash talking Rupa Mother. She's like slut shaming her.
Oh.
All the
Ooh.
women, she's slut shaming them. She's like,
Fuck
Big Boss,
off.
मैं Big Boss के show से भी बहुत बड़ी हूँ, XYZ. And once the entire clip is done, Salman's like, Priyanka, clearly आप Big Boss के show से बहुत बड़े हो, so please leave my fucking house. And then he looks in the camera dead in the eye and he's like, Colors, if Priyanka is on any show of Colors, I am not working for Colors for one more second.
See, that is the Salman Khan that they liked.
Pin drop,
Yeah.
silence, full stop. She was not seen after that anywhere. Dead, gone.
But that's Salman Khan does that. He can blacklist you in the industry.
imagine
Yeah, he has that power.
imagine that level of rage Salman had. It doesn't matter if you're saying something with the right or the wrong intention. If you say something wrong, he's going to come for you,
Yeah.
and that's just lost now.
It is. It truly is.
Mm.
But
He's
I feel
letting
like
shit slide.
somebody who actually did that tastefully has to be Pooja Mishra. Pooja Mishra, I know she was problematic, but she was my
was.
queen. You know, and her transition from Big Boss to Instagram is even more beautiful. It is like a
She randomly
worm
popped one day.
yeah, a worm turning into a butterfly. Like she was in her cocoon for so many
For sure.
years, and you know what? It was worth it because I
Yeah.
fucking love Pooja Mishra.
Yeah,
And I
even-
don't want her off my back now.
How does it go?
Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, I kicked it by
You
mistake.
can't kick it by mistake.
Then pick it up if it
No,
bothers you.
you don't tell me what to do.
No, you do not tell me
What
what,
to
to do. Or what? Are you gonna hit me?
Do you want it?
Because you're asking for it. You're dying for it.
Get off my
my
back.
Got it?
We,
I love it.
Zia and
We
I
can do it again.
remembered this in script by script in college. We would do it.
We have to do
Alarm.
it again properly.
Yeah.
Go again.
Okay, wait.
I'm sorry.
Pooja,
I'll
what
try.
is this? 3, 2, 1. Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, I kicked it.
No,
by
you can't
mistake.
kick it by
Then
mistake.
pick it up if it bothers you.
No, you'll pick it up.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can't tell you what to
You
do.
do not tell
I
me
can't
what to
tell
do.
you what to do.
Or what? Are you gonna hit me?
Oh.
Sorry. we
बस ये second time बस हो गया. अभी तुम लोग show पे जाके करो.
But yeah, now she's I am the princess of
Of
my
my
castle. And that's,
She is.
Full stop.
She is the princess of my castle also. She is.
love Pooja Mishra. Pooja Mishra,
Yeah.
if you're watching this.
Pooja's a slay. Pooja Mishra, Pooja Dhingra.
Pooja Dhingra.
Was she Pooja Dhingra?
Pooja Dhingra is from Love 15, right?
Dolly Bindra.
Dolly Bindra.
Pooja Dhingra. No. Who is that lady from
Dolly-
Love 15?
Pooja Dhingra.
This Pooja Dhingra, right?
She was not on Big Boss.
So speaking of batshit things that used to happen in Big Boss, okay, like there were legit no rules. I need you guys to see this clip, and this is an infamous clip, but I think most of us have just forgotten about it.
I think for someone who doesn't watch Big Boss on the regular basis, and I just watch like the iconic clips, I feel like I'm ready.
आप उसको इंटरफेयर करते हैं हर चीज में आपका नाम लिया मैंने
Yeah.
शांति रखिए
That's KRK.
That's Shamita Shetty.
Oh, I know that person, but I did not know about this.
why should I keep quiet man
There's a random white person on the show, and I feel so bad for her.
हाथ में रख दूंगा समझा मारना नहीं किसी को तू बॉडी कैसे फेंकी यार तू पागल है
Shamita made it about
मैं
her.
उनके बारे में बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ
नहीं पता ही नहीं क्या तुम लोग समझ रहे हो मैं मतलब लिमिट के बारे में मैं और नहीं संभाल सकता
I know.
बिग बॉस को बोलो जो करना है इडियट आई कांट हेल्प इट आई एम सॉरी
अरे मैं उनकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ
नहीं तू बॉटल क्यों फेंकी बात कर ना
बिंदु तेरे को प्रॉब्लम है तू बाहर जा
मैं जा रहा हूँ लेकिन तू इसको टच किया ना तो तेरे को बहुत मारूंगा
तू बाहर जा
हाँ, मेरे को
तेरे
कुछ
को
सुनना नहीं है
problem है,
सब
तू बाहर जा।
बकवास डोंट टच हिम बट
हाँ तू बाहर
मैं जा रहा हूँ बाहर.
कॉल मी खबरदार
I love this diva.
Yeah,
fight
they're good.
then I will get very angry तब वो तुझे क्या जो
And this one, people would throw bottles at each other on
Love.
Big Boss. Recently, also like one good, like sort of decent drama also happened in 13. If you remember, so Siddharth Shukla and Rashmi had a feud.
Yes.
Okay, so
That's
this,
before they were on a show together.
yeah,
Like
Okay.
on a soap opera
Siddharth
show.
Shukla and this lady Rashmi.
Rashmi Desai.
Rashmi Desai.
Okay.
They were kind of like having a feud. So Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill became a team. Now Rashmi needed a partner, so they sent in her boyfriend. Okay, her boyfriend or what was it?
It was just a random wild card entry. And then something happened like kuch hua
Arhan,
on the
this-
show.
Oh,
Yeah.
Arhan, this guy's name, and you know whatever they apparently developed a romance on the show, and I think he proposed, didn't he?
Yeah.
Wow.
He proposed to her.
Way to propose, dude.
No, wait for it.
on the show, and then one random weekend cover, Salman Khan comes on, and he's asking Rashmi ke he's asking Rashmi ke did you know about नहीं हाँ no he asked Arhan घर में कौन कौन रहता है and he's like वही दादी मम्मी बीवी
No, he said no.
नहीं नहीं he said बीवी and then What?
So he said घर पे कौन कौन रहता है? He
Yeah.
said XYZ. He's like और कौन रहता है?
हाँ.
And he's like sir बस यही लोग हैं.
Oh, so Salman knew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
And then
And he
Salman
brought it
is
up.
Like, yeah, Salman is like तो तुम्हारी बीवी नहीं है? तुम्हारे बच्चे नहीं है?
Bacha. And then when he said bacha, Rashmi was like, bacha? Because apparently she knew about BV. She didn't know about bacha.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then there's like a whole argument and he comes in the show, like he comes in the house.
Yeah.
And he's like consoling Rashmi and all of that, and then that was
Damn.
So
amazing. No,
good.
but like Salman's reaction was amazing.
But this was like one thing that they doctored and they did well. They doctored it, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, like
Yeah,
this
for
is
sure.
not that long ago. अभी क्या चल रहा है? 18 चल रहा है ना Big Boss.
हाँ.
अभी 5 साल के पहले की बात है. 2019 की बात है.
20.
2019.
हाँ, okay, 19.
2019 में हुआ था. So of course
Damn.
fair
But
enough.
that was too good.
That was very good. I
Too
remember तभी मैंने देखा था थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा. Oh my god, क्या चल रहा है?
But yeah, what did you have to say about Roadies? I believe you had something unfinished from there.
Roadies, again, there's always this goated season of Roadies. And I feel
Which one?
no, so Roadie. So when Ranvijay was one of the team leaders, was when Roadies was at its peak. As
Okay.
soon as he like became like the host or like the side person or whatever, it just like dipped so bad. Because when the gang leaders were Neha, Raftar, no,
Prince?
Neha, wait. When the gang leaders were Ranvijay, Neha, Prince, and Nikhil.
Oh.
That four, and when I keep forgetting her name. She's a video jockey. Wait,
Bani J.
Bani J. No, she was not
VJ Galen.
Gail.
Her-
Okay, I don't know this.
Yeah, she was the host. Those seasons were so nice and so crisp and so juicy. It
Solid.
was so good. Like I was hooked
Yeah.
on. Like I would wait for Saturday to come
Oh.
for me to like watch 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Nice.
Too fucking good. Too fucking
Like
good.
my excitement is only from the YouTube videos that I used to watch. I can't even imagine what it must be.
Exactly.
Watching it on
Rashmi Arhan
TV.
shit was weekly for Roadies. Like whatever happened to Rashmi.
Yeah.
That was weekly, bro. Everyone had some shit unsolved
what I'm
from
saying.
before. And they used to bring it up on the show.
I
and it
think-
was so
Big Boss, like the first 50 days, no, all the
Yeah.
characters were like given one story.
yeah.
And then जो निकल गई वो निकल गई.
Yeah.
फिर 51st से 100 days तक जो characters मतलब मैं characters बोल रही हूँ sorry. Contestants रहते थे ना, those were the ones that got the actual
Yeah.
TRP to the show.
Yeah, no.
Imagine like a therapy session, but it's broadcasted.
Hmm.
Of course, like it's like the most deep and personal things about your life. That's
Yeah.
why, you know, therapists are not allowed to say things,
Yeah.
you know, outside of that room.
yeah.
But it is also because, you know, people can treat it as gossip.
Yeah, it's
Hmm.
sad that, this is so liked and like this is what people
Yeah.
want.
Hmm.
But it's a sad reality that this is
It
at the end of the
is.
day, it is someone's life.
I remember like light-hearted shit used to make you feel so much better. Like you had mentioned earlier, yeah.
Entertainment
सब-
के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
सबका नहीं सब
सब खेलो सब
सब
जीतो.
खेलो
Yeah.
सब जीतो.
There was this time during the lockdown, okay, and I am a big Jose fan, okay. I love Jose, and he has this segment on YouTube called Ghost Stories, and
Okay.
I'm a huge horror fan, okay. So it used to be him.
Hmm.
It used to be his friend Cyril Diabrio.
I love him.
I love Cyril Diabrio. There used to be Suresh Menon.
Hmm.
And these three used to host the show. Okay, they used to get on a call during the lockdown, and they used to call in their audience,
Hmm.
and whoever wanted to share their ghost stories, their personal experiences, they used to get 2 to 3 minutes to share their stories. Okay,
Hmm.
and a little later, Cyrus Sahukar was the 4th host on the
Yeah.
on
I
this
love him too.
on
I
this
love him,
series. I
yeah.
love him, and I was like,
What an unproblematic king.
yeah, I was like, yeah, I have seen him on Delhi Che, and like he's damn good. And I was like,
Yeah.
there's one show that I used to watch that he used to be the host on, and I couldn't remember the name of it. And then something clicked, and I was like, Sab Khelo Sab Jeeto. I still remember that jingle. Bro, that show, that was the equivalent of Minute to Win It,
Yeah.
that used to come on Star World.
Some
Yeah, I think it used to come on Star World.
yeah, it was
And again,
Western.
like this used to be like families, friends
Hmm.
coming, and they used to win like good prizes.
Good,
Yeah, like
great
cars.
prices.
Like cars and like
TVs.
fridge,
Hmm.
TV, washing machine. I was like, bro,
Yeah.
this is too good. So that's
Too
where I
good.
remember him from. And I think that show did not run for too long, but
Why?
For
like,
whatever
exactly.
time it was on,
it was so
Great.
good.
That and even that Japanese show with the
Takeshi's Castle.
yeah.
Yes.
It was Japanese, right? It was like a
Yeah.
rip-off
I
of a
think it was
Japanese
Japanese,
show.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
it was the Japanese show with
Indian
Indian dubbing.
Indian dubbed. And it used to be
dub.
Baman. No,
no. Who is that girl from
Javed Jafri.
Javed
Javed
Jaffrey.
Jaffrey. Javed Jaffrey used to dub it, and it was super fun.
dude.
Was it not on Pogo?
It used to be on
Yes, it
Pogo,
was on
yes.
Pogo.
Yeah, that was so good.
That was too good.
With
So
people falling. How simple.
How
How fucking
people falling in
simple.
those rooms and those like mazes. It used to be
They
too
that
good.
man fell and broke his nose
and you're laughing.
for your entertainment.
Too good.
Too good. I think now
that
they
was
don't do
another
that.
entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
Now they don't do that because now they will have to pay for insurance.
हाँ भाई.
Earlier they used to make people.
हाँ अभी मुंह टूट गया अभी क्या ही
क्या
है
करेंगे?
पैसा तो
भाई,
मिल गया ना अभी
हाँ.
जाओ
Bye
बाय
bye.
बाय
Literally.
literally
Yeah. What were you saying about Rudy's? Did you finish?
Yeah, I mean,
Mm.
after that, Roadies also dipped. Like, then I stopped watching Roadies.
Yeah, I
But
feel
like, there was this another show called Kaisi Ye Yaariyan on MTV.
हाँ.
And I
I
remember,
remember this.
I was on a trip to Nepal, I think, and most
your
of
infamous Nepal trip
yeah, my infamous Nepal trip, and most of our rooms didn't really have a TV with a cable on it. Like, they had a TV, but like they had like local channels or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
And like this one hotel that we were in, it had like a proper cable with MTV on it.
Ooh.
And like, so we were like two families had gone. We were four kids of us, like
Yeah.
Mary Bhen, me, and the other two kids. And the other kid, like she and my sister were school friends. So they're the same age, and she was going to introduce us to Kaisi Ye Yaariyan. So she's like, "There's this great show. It's gonna be on TV. We have cable. Let's watch it." And then for some reason, I think we got a little late to come back to our hotel. So like we came back and we quickly rushed. Like we hardly had something for dinner, and then we we were like running up the stairs to our room, and then we like switched on the TV and we were watching that.
What a
So
good
good.
memory.
And then they
Yeah,
came-
no, like
they
in a
came
hotel
again
room
with the
doing
show.
that.
So Nandini, she's like this new girl to a college, and she's into music,
Okay.
and there's already an established like band sort of a thing of the college, and like Manik, who's the lead actor, he's the head of the band,
Okay.
and like as like in the beginning of the show they like sort of bully her because she's like new and she's like shy and timid and whatever, and it's like a enemies to a lover trope, and then like Manik
My favorite.
Exactly.
With a band involved.
exactly.
Oh my god.
And then Manik is like slowly starts to like Nandini, and then she's like, get away, you're bad or whatever, and then he's like trying to
I
achieve
don't
her,
want you.
and then she falls for him, and then it's like an entire.
Oh
It
my
was so cute.
God. Why am I blushing?
It was so cute. And Manik at that time, he was
adorable.
he was like a chocolate boy.
Yeah, Chocolate Boy reminds me of Kya Mast Hai Life. So you watched Best of Luck Nikki, right?
Yeah.
Dolly's boyfriend. I do not know the actor's name.
Chashmish?
No, was he on? There used to be a show that used to come on Sony.
Yeah. Yeah, that
Uh,
guy. That guy. You know the guy,
yes.
but nobody knows his name.
I know what you're talking
And
about.
I don't mean this as a dig. Your characters are louder than you as an actor, which is a very good sign of a good actor.
Yeah, actor,
For
correct.
sure.
So yeah, I have no idea of what the plot line is. I just checked. It's apparently on Disney Hotstar, so I'm gonna watch it again. But I remember it being such a good vibe because I remember the jingle. Kya mast hai life, kya mast hai life. It used to be
don't
like that, and
remember.
I don't remember.
me and my sister we used to watch it, and it was it was just teenagers
Yeah,
being
man.
teenagers.
Yeah, but then
And we used to like be younger and think, oh, this is what it's like being a teenager.
Exactly.
yeah.
But it wasn't.
It
We are no
wasn't.
longer teenagers.
Speaking about like another, teenager coming of age show, there used to be this one show called Hip Hip Hooray. Okay, and it used to be, I think it was like a 90s show. Okay,
It was on.
and I don't remember what it used to come on, but then it was so ahead of its time. And basically, it's this group of 12th graders. Okay, And there was this one episode, okay, where they called out Karan Johar, and they basically spoke about how in DDLJ they portrayed Kajol's character when she was, in the beginning, in the initial part of the movie where she was a tomboy, and she was like a go-getter. She was good at sports. She was very proactive in whatever she did.
Yeah.
And that time she didn't get the guy. She didn't get Shah Rukh Khan. And then once she became
A little more
a little
feminine.
more
Savitri.
Sakhi Savitri, the
Submissive. Iska
Yeah.
pallu atak raha hai.
Gharelu vibes.
yeah, the
Gharelu.
typical
Is
ideology.
Gharelu a right term?
Yeah. Gharelu.
Yeah.
The
Homely.
typical idea of what like women should be.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
girly, the typical girl.
Yeah.
That's when she gets the guy.
That's my biggest fear. It's like if I become submissive, if I find a guy, then I'll lose myself.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's what they called out on the show. And like to do that back in the 90s,
That's so
that
good.
that was a ballsy move for them
You
to do
really,
it.
truly
For
had.
sure.
You were doing it for the craft. You weren't doing it for the
Yes,
numbers.
exactly.
Exactly.
You had purpose to what you were putting out there.
Yeah.
They knew and they were very well aware of what they were getting into doing
Yeah.
that. And I don't know if the show ended because
Could be.
could
A
be like
possibility.
there must have been some part
Yeah.
Yeah.
of
You see
that.
now
to
faces like
in this.
Kapil Sharma who are on Netflix now, like his show is on Netflix, used to be on cable. He's a product of Comedy Circus.
Comedy
Yes.
Circus gave birth to so many
So many.
Great
there was
comedians.
Kapil, there was
Krishna.
Krishna, Bharti.
Yeah. Like that, it made careers. Like people don't realize that
Yeah.
reality TV shows used to be able to do that. Like
They gave
Oh my god,
people,
yes.
they gave people the freedom to explore so many arenas. This is just one of them. Comedy Circus was like
Yeah.
catered to a comedy genre. There was
Hmm.
Emotional Atyachar, which catered, Emotional Atyachar, Raki Ke Swayamvar, all
Yeah,
of this
yeah.
catered to a separate audience. And then basically there was just so much. Now, if you go to see all of the shows,
now they
somehow
want to make it look like it's so much. And
but
at the
exactly.
end, it's nothing
it's
at the same
nothing
time.
substantial.
So that's what I was getting at. Like Netflix saw reality TV and sucked the living life out of it and put it on streaming.
Yes.
Netflix and like, so of course I'm just saying Netflix right now because I'm thinking of a particular show
Yes.
which is this cake? What the hell is that? It is overproduced.
oh yeah.
And how do you manage to get such a big production and make the quality so
bad.
fucking bad?
Yeah.
The quality of content is imagine if these budgets were given to shows like
Kuch Sab Khelo Sab Jeeto.
Sab Khelo Sab Jeeto or shows like
Hip
Kya
Hip
Mas
Hooray or something.
Kya
Yeah.
Mast Hai Life, if the Kya Mast Hai Life ran for less than a year. Yeah. And like it had the catchiest jingle, it had the cutest boys.
For sure.
There's one thing for good shows to know when their time is over and stop.
Yes.
And there's another when they're made to stop for whatever
Hmm.
reasons.
So I was researching for this episode and I found that in 2016 and 2016-2017 Netflix had a change in CEOs, like a change in like leaders, somebody who has say in the company. Okay, and this other lady came on, and before that whoever was in charge, she was very much like, I want to get smaller storytellers and make the, like the Duffer Brothers, if you think of them. Stranger Things was huge because it was such a it was a story just for the sake of telling a story. And now if you just see Stranger Things of what it has become now, it's just again they try to make it second screen.
Yeah.
It's lost its essence now, I feel.
Yeah. So the
There was
Kani-
this,
Huh.
yeah, there was this reel I saw where Kanis Surka was invited on a podcast.
Yeah.
And she was talking about how her friend had gone to pitch a concept to Netflix. And when they heard what the storyline was of the show or the movie, they rejected it solely on the basis of it not being up to the mark for a double screen
Yeah.
concept.
Oh
So-
my God.
It had to have the plot being explained more
Over
than
and
once
Yes.
again, yeah.
for people to then relate and understand it. But when we were on a sleepover, which was recent, we watched this one movie which I don't remember the name of.
It's What's Inside. No.
Yeah, it's what's inside.
It's what's inside,
It's
right?
what's
Yeah.
inside. I think, guys, we've recommended this movie once before on the episode, but that movie is made so tastefully, and I don't know how they sold it to Netflix. But that
Yeah.
that doesn't explain the plot more than once.
It doesn't. No.
You
not
have
at
to
all.
be
Not at
attentive
all.
because
So,
we both are very
many
attentive.
movies like that, like with on the same lines of like the genre that it has. Those are the kind of movies that we need more.
No,
Exactly.
Netflix is making good content. I'm not saying no. But earlier, like if you see 2015, 2016, it was only good content. Now the good content is few and far between.
Yeah,
Hmm.
You see a
earlier-
Squid Game which was done after 2016, but
Hmm.
it was a global
Yeah,
hit.
True.
Now,
Earlier you had fewer shitty ones. Now you have fewer good ones.
Good ones.
fewer
Oh,
good ones.
yes.
Now you have all subscription services increasing their prices, and you're like, the quality of content
it.
is going down. Where is my money going? And you see these big brands, streaming services that started humble have now become big brands that want to become global.
Hmm.
So that then they need this money for experiences, for even like Netflix had its own advent calendar, which I thought was pretty cool. Netflix has
Yes,
I
I saw that.
Yeah, and it was a huge
Tudum.
box with
Hmm.
memorabilia
Oh.
from Netflix, and if you
But
open it makes a sound goes
Tudum.
Yeah.
so cool.
Yeah.
But this merchandise, like, not everyone's buying.
Hmm.
They're
Yeah.
paying for the service. You give them the service, no?
Yes,
Correct.
fair.
Even you have Bridgerton Ball that they Bridgerton Ball that they did, like literally a ball,
Yeah.
and like people could dress up, and there was
Wow.
there was a diamond of the season.
Wow.
in the- Bridgerton was after 2016, and I think that is a fucking
True.
amazing show. And
Too
I
good.
know I hate watching. I love hate watching it, but it is nice.
Yeah.
It's a great show.
I
Like,
like.
They probably no. I'm pretty sure they didn't make it to be hate watched.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But then, even if you're hate watching, you're watching it.
You
Yeah.
are, but better than Bridgerton is, I don't know if you watched it, Queen Charlotte is.
Yes!
So good.
Queen Charlotte is the enemies
Like,
to lovers
It's
dream.
there.
Best.
It's there.
I remember
So
I was
good.
having lunch with my friends Mariam and Faiza, and I told them, like, they were talking about Bridgerton. The new season was coming out, Penelope Wala.
Yeah.
Okay, and I told them, no, I've never watched Queen Charlotte, and they both were like, we are jealous that you've never watched it, because we want to be able to watch it again
for the first
for the
time.
first
Yeah.
time. And that
So
one scene when the king was like, from my cage to yours, like he gives like a little rat. He steals a rat
Hmm.
from the doctor,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he gives it to Queen Charlotte.
Yeah.
And he was like, from my cage to yours. I literally went like, in my hall.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yes.
oh my god, it's such a girly pop
Yeah.
thing. But yeah, so good shows are there.
True.
100%. But
Yeah.
it has become more filler. Now you see,
True.
like, Pele reality TV used to be whatever Khan sisters you had, and now it's become
The
more like
Bibling.
Dubai Bling,
Bollywood
Seema
vibes.
Fabulous
Aunty-
vibes
Seema
of
Aunty
Bollywood.
का क्या है?
It's,
Indian matchmaking.
Indian matchmaking. Ooh.
Indian match, fabulous lives. Even
Yeah.
if you see on Prime Video, Tribe was so bad.
Yeah.
Tribe was horrible, and I
I-
saw all of it.
I tried watching it, but I stopped after 10 minutes.
Yeah, and at this time when I was watching Tribe, Besharam had just blown up, and I really don't mean to shit on Tribe, collab Tribe, okay? Me and my sister, we were watching it together, and it had some 14K followers, and at that time Besharam had actually a lot more than that.
Hmm.
Okay, and she. They had a whole Netflix production, a whole show.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, not Netflix,
Prime.
Prime production, a whole show. And she looked it up and she was like, bro, it doesn't even have 15,000 followers. Like, how is this
and
possible?
like pretty famous people on the show.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
not like
Yeah.
random
I
people.
think they did like the opposite of what boosting your content is.
Yeah.
They got people together to
They-
LA,
Yeah.
and they didn't, like, the influencers didn't make any content.
they didn't
Juice
they-
it.
juice it.
Did
yeah.
they think that just getting people who are little influential would
famous.
automatically just
They had
Get-
two
give them the
conflicts.
views? Hmm.
They had two conflicts. Number one, Alvia is not making content. Number two, Alvia needs a room for her diabetes.
where's the juice?
That's all.
Where is it?
That's all. That's what, 8 episodes?
Did they do their research?
No. I think we
No.
did more research.
We do for each episode more research than they did for a show.
Yeah. So
Oh
you
my
have all of
God.
this bullshit on like streaming
yeah, like
now.
dude, even shows like The Bachelorette,
Hmm.
Love Island,
Hmm,
Love
hmm,
is Blind.
Temptation Island.
Like
Temptation
okay,
Island.
I understand it's very, very,
think
it's very entertaining. It's very gossipy, but then it's the same, yaar.
All of
It's
these shows are the same.
Like, how many more versions of the same thing are you going to make?
Yeah, man. I see it.
You know, it after a point it just becomes redundant, and you're
Hmm.
like, bye, bus.
Bus, yeah.
One reality show that has been done well 100%, it has to be Dubai Bling. I love that fucking show. I
The third
don't even
season's
understand
out.
half the language.
The third season's out.
Mhm.
Every
You like it?
episode has
I have
like,
not watched it. I have not watched it. I love Sabah though.
Safa.
Right? Safa. I
Safa
love
has
Safa.
been
She's a
little
troubled
wacky,
friend.
little more wacky on the third season, and I love her for that.
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna
I
spoil
love
it.
her
We're gonna
relationship with
keep it
her
for-
husband. I'm a
Fahad?
fan. I need a Fahad. Bro, if
I
any
fucking need a Fahad.
if any Fahad like nice boys are watching this, bro, I don't mind.
DMs here.
I
please.
really don't. I would love being married to Fahad. And Safa would hate me for saying that. I love that. So Safa
You're
doesn't
an
let
unidentified female for Safa,
yeah. So
and she
Safa
doesn't let such women around Fahad.
Safa does not let
Whoa.
any woman,
Unidentified female.
unidentified female, talk to her husband.
What the fuck does that mean?
So anyone besides her and Zaina, which is her best friend, cannot talk
Oh.
to Fahad, which is her
Oh.
husband. I think that should be good enough for
Trash TV.
this week.
Yeah.
I truly hope that you liked our takes on these. I think a lot of such content has been put on YouTube now. Like
I
now
was
people are
about to say that
Yes.
trash YouTube.
Trash
Yeah.
YouTube.
Like
now
that
people are
definitely.
people are doing YouTube for
Sarabhai
the
versus
craft.
Sarabhai is on YouTube now. All
Is
the episodes,
it?
the older season, all of the episodes are on YouTube
As
now.
it should be. So after you're done watching this episode, go watch Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Go
and
watch one of the TLC shows that we recommended. It's on YouTube.
Let it be Cutthroat Kitchen. Honestly, it's so good.
Give me a show. Give them a one show to watch, so like they know where it's at. If you had to like rate the best,
I can't pick one.
Same.
Cupcake Wars or Ultimate Cake Showdown. You remember?
I'm a little biased like that. I love Say Yes to the Dress.
Okay, then, what's yours?
I
Yeah.
think for me it has to be Cutthroat Kitchen. That
Okay.
should change my life.
watch these two shows.
Yeah.
And what
And
about you?
also
What do you
watch
want them to watch?
Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Yes.
For sure.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Watch these three and also watch this episode.
If you have watched up until this point, can you give us a bunch of TV emojis in the
Yes.
comments? And we're gonna like all the comments. So you
Yeah.
better go ahead and do that so you get seen by the
Yes.
Besharam girls.
Yes. And also don't forget to listen to us on Spotify and give us a good rating there. Preferably a 5.
And while you're on YouTube, you can just press the subscribe button, share this video to your bestie who used to watch TV with, and
We used to
If
steal
you-
the remote from.
send this to your
Sister.
sister.
Hmm.
Send this to your sibling because I know you guys fought over the remote.
Yeah.
And if you don't follow us on Instagram, follow us at We Are Besharam and like our reels and comment on them as well. Okay.
Comment nice things. Until
Until
next
then,
time.
stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye bye.